Hmm. That looks fine. Hey Donut. How are you? I have a terrible headache. So I apologise in advance. I have some chalky milk and some beer. And I've got RuneScape on the side. You see here, just behind me here. Got a little RuneScape going. How is everyone? Yeah, I'm fucking shattered, dudes. Absolutely shattered. Can you hear the music alright, or do I need to raise it a little bit? It's probably fine. How have you all been? It's been a couple months, maybe, since we last worked on this. If I remember correctly, we were, I'll raise it. It's quite quiet on my end too. That should be better. We were working on the debug console of sorts, where you could pass in an arbitrary string, I think? I guess I could make it a class, but whatever. You pass in a string, and it tries to execute a command. So I thought we'd try and finish that today. I was considering doing art, but I don't know. I just want to crack something out. You lot doing okay? Let me know if I can do anything to fix up the stream. I was considering not streaming today, but I thought I might as well turn it on. Do I want to fix the menu background? Maybe, but I'm going to do this. What I will do is check to see if there's a new version of libdonut, because I have a feeling that there is. And perhaps I'm using an outdated version. The last update was on October the 9th. Oh no, it's not lib. What is it? Dependencies. This one. Yeah, I'm a little behind. Let's see if updating will fix it. Tag. It is version 2.3.2. I don't remember what was wrong with it. You said it might have just been the commit I was using, right? We'll see. I'm taking it easy today. But, you know, obviously, not gonna let those games go to waste, huh? I've been really enjoying the mining, the shooting stars. I've gotten so much XP from it. 150k XP today in mining, that's incredible. It's really comfy. You literally just... There's a website where it scouts all the locations. You run there in the world and you mine them. It just takes like 15 minutes for it to deplete. You just don't have to think about it. And it gives you these stardust that you can use. I've already gotten the ring from it, which makes mining better. And you can exchange it for gems, which is really good on Iron Man. Anyway, let's see. New libdonut has been fetched. I reckon. See if that has any breaking changes. It shouldn't, because I think we were on 2.0.0. But maybe. I don't know how explicit you are with the semantic versioning. It did compile, and it still runs. It's a good sign. You added a new feature where you can center text by passing 0.5 and 0.5 as the origin of a text string instance. That's good. Well, while you're here, Donut, do you let's have a peek at this menu together? Because I don't quite remember what was happening. You thought it might have been an issue with the vertex shader, was it? Let's have a look. I remember the issue being that we even tried disabling the shader and it still broke. That's odd. Does it draw the sprites? It doesn't. So maybe it's just an issue with it not being able to load in the PNG. That would be simple, wouldn't it? Let's have a look at the console. Does it print something out? No. That's possibly what it is. Perhaps the file system's been broken. If I change this menu background to just like a random string, this should crash, right? It does. Okay. So it is loading the file. This is correct. How odd. I think Draw 3D World was being done. Format print, right? I'm pretty sure we checked this last time, but I'll sanity check it. Let's have a look. I think we did test this. Yeah. So this is being called. Perhaps this render pass isn't being actuated. I know we made that new system for render passes, so we know it can work because the text is showing on screen. But perhaps Draw 3D World is the one that's broken. Oh, someone got a level. Someone got the pet earlier today. It was a 1 in 52, 512,000 or something, or 520,000. Quite unlikely. We know this is being called. That's good. I guess we could try... It could be that the render class is created and drawn to but never rendered. That's what I'm wondering. Systems manager, right? Let's have a look. What could we be doing wrong here? You're passing the world camera in instead of the screen camera. No way, that's correct, right? Because this is meant to be a different camera. So the issue could be... I'm wondering, if I pass in the screen camera, does this fix something? Because that should be world camera, right? It was meant to have a different view anyway. Okay, this is good. We know that... Okay, we're actually getting very quick today. What's going wrong with world camera that screen camera has fixed? World camera, screen camera. World camera, screen camera. Screen camera... and world and screen. Okay, where are you being instanced? Game, surely. I think. World and screen camera. Oh, it's supposed to be for actual 3D objects. It does have... We are using a... Not a quad, sorry, a Vec 4, right? Technically? Because we were using a Z on the shader. We were just drawing a 2D plane to it, I thought. Maybe I'm misremembering. I guess we're just drawing a texture, it's not being drawn to a... No, actually it is being drawn to a plane, isn't it? Why might that be breaking their donut? Because it looks here like they're being instanced in the same way. World camera, screen camera. What is there an initializer? Like what is different about world and screen camera? Yeah? Maybe in resize. Here we go. You're right. Interesting. Do you have draw cube or something? Or like draw 2D triangle that I could use to test this? I'm not entirely sure what the coordinate system or how it would work. But you know if there's an easy way for me to test this camera? I should rename world camera to 3D camera. All the 2D drawing should work with the 3D camera too, but it might not be visible because it's at 0 on the x-axis and the camera is too. Okay. Well, fair enough. That solves one problem. To make things simple, it's not that button. It's F2. I'm going to call this 3D camera. Oh no, you can't start it with 3D. I'm just going to name it camera 3D and camera... Will you let me? Just to avoid this confusion in the future. If you draw a 3D cube and put it at z equals -1, you might be able to see it. Let's give that a go. Because I would like to know. I'm gonna guess that it's just something like... Do you have a 3D object? Or can I make one in SDL easily? Hello, Turbo Burner. How are you? Viewers included. What is transformation in this? Is it a Vec 4? Or a Vec 3 or something? Mat 4. Transformation matrix to apply to every position in the model. It's a 4x4 matrix. Oh. Let's just give this a go. I don't know what this colour would be, but I'm gonna guess that this would be just like a... It would do something, maybe? Like a white or a black cube, or... It should be white by default. It doesn't seem to have done anything. X, Y, Z. It's hard to tell. Oh, sorry, I'll move the chat. Do I need to make it a little bigger? I don't know how big the cube is by default. Oh. Maybe -5 instead of -1. Okay. Does it have a default size of like 1x1 or something? Alright, here we go. 3D. Can I make it spin infinitely now? That's cool. Whatever. Alright, that's lovely. It's a good sign. Alright. Well, let's just do a draw 2D world for now. We can go up with something fancier later. And I think we messed up the menu.fragment, right? Oh dear, we're missing all sorts. What was this? Fragment. Fragment entity? GLSL, maybe? Was it linting? Might be this. I have a feeling that our shader will not be doing much because we disabled most of it. Oh yeah, I remember this. The shader language changed enough because we were using a really old one before. Oh, try rotating. I can try rotating this one. Multiplied by... Oh, it's just matrix maths. I guess we could have it going in and out if we did that on like a sine. The entirety of the translate should be multiplied, not the vector. Hang on, I think I misread that. I kind of thought we had a translation matrix and an orientation matrix and we were multiplying them together. Did you have to write the code for that? Oh shit, look at that. Ah, I'm a 3D artist. You can almost read through the screen and press it. Wait, hang on, that's an impressive amount of work by default. It has like some built-in directional lighting. The power of libdonut model cube. Man, it's beautiful. Yeah, there's a random light somewhere by default. Cool. Let's have a level that's just the cube spinning. You know what, let's just leave it there. Let's make it... What happens if this is -1? What does this look like? Do you see inside the cube? No cube. Hang on. I wanna see. Is it just in? Does it not have an inside? I guess. Oh yeah. That's beautiful. That's fun. That's fantastic. All right. We want to have draw 2D world, right? My function to clean up my code doesn't seem to be working very well. If you're going to do the actual 3D, you could make your own shader with lights properly passed in from C++ as an example. Okay, thank you. I'll keep that in mind. I'll hide this just for now. Alright, we want draw 2D world, and we want to draw the regular background, please. And we need to set it in the header as well. What was it? Control O? No. Control Shift O? No. What was, oh, Alt O. We want draw 2D world. And then whatever systems manager is doing this. We want to do the 3D, then the 2D, and we want to pass into the screen camera. I don't know why it's still calling itself screen camera. I guess I could do this. But I kind of prefer this. I think it's a little lot more obvious, just to avoid errors. You might not have saved the header file. Maybe. Dude, everyone's getting levels today. How are you, Spike Ropes? Okay, something's broken. That's not it. Oh, it is in here. Oh, you stop. Hey, Menace. You still have Draw 3D in the header. Oh, good call. Am I aware of the word? I have a cracking headache. Oh, look, it's fixed. Oh, it's not showing up in Game Catcher. Huh? Oh, there you go. Just takes a minute. That's beautiful. It just wasn't the same. Oh, the bird, I thought you'd reference that. It looks weirdly smooth. Does it turn on bilinear filtering by default? Or am I misreading this? Yeah, it looks kind of bilinearly smooth. That's beautiful. Okay, fine, let's fix the centered text now then. I thought I just had a function called draw text center. Maybe this is it. You should disable it in the texture options when you load it. Here. Or here. You can pass in a texture options afterwards. What, into the menu background? I guess it's a texture, yeah. I guess use repeat is just default. That should fix that. Let's see how it looks without mip mapping. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so crisp. Yeah, look at that beauty. I guess I'll put the game capture in the top left, so if I make it full screen, it looks full screen to you lot. Oh yeah, look at that. No bilinear filtering here. This is a raw pixel land. Alright. I don't think the mip mapping is going to do anything, considering we don't share the image at all, but I'm trying to think about it. Can't tell the difference on stream, but I trust it's beautiful. Hell yeah. It's like when I look at the Vermintide stream and I'm like, well, this looks good, but man, it looks so much better just looking at it on the PC. It's crazy how much compression does and doesn't do for certain things. For some older TV programs, it really needs that compression, huh? Old, like, NES games don't have... Oh, like, bloody Sega Master System games not having decent transparency or any transparency. And you have to, like, crosshatch everything. I love it. You let the CRT do the anti-aliasing. That's the right idea. Alright, we fixed that. Let's fix the text. So... This is for the sentence thing. I forgot we did that. I guess it's not in here. Is it the render? It's not menu. Render HUD? I thought it would have been in here. Maybe it's just in the menu system, whatever it's called. Does every menu system do its own writing? I think it does, right? It's not in the navigation system, is it? Okay, good. The opposites can happen too, like you played the Battlefield beta and realised it looked like shit with the TAA artifacts and grainy shadows not being hidden by YouTube compression. Oh, absolutely. That's what current ray tracing basically relies on, right? For a lot of games, the like blobby mess that is produced relies on noise, denoising. I think a lot of older games look so much better. I mean, this is not a hot take. This is very common to cold take, but I like original hardware for original games. I think it looks kind of weird when you play. I know I'm guilty of it, but I think Ocarina of Time looks kind of weird with, like, crisp edges. Like, you play Pokemon Blue on a Game Boy, they look so much more detailed than when you look at the sprite. I think your brain fills in a lot of the gaps, but there's got to be something said about the little Game Boy screen. Smoothing and weird shading artifacts that happen. There's the sort of after image, the ghosting that happens on the Game Boy that a lot of emulators don't actually emulate. It's a big part of the feel. I usually turn it on if I can. God, I am a weird hipster, aren't I? That's okay. I'm trying to remember where... Is it menu system, maybe? Considering you're taking in the font, I kind of assume this is the one that will be doing the drawing, but I guess not. Maybe it's the sub-menu that does it. Yeah. Alright. What's the linear menu, I guess, right? Draw 2D HUD. Here we go. Not too stupid. I've watched a lot of devlog videos, and a lot of them have implemented a lot of the stuff similar to me, so I don't feel quite so stupid for the stuff I've come up with. So here's the text. Currently we're just drawing it at 0 and Y. You were saying if we pass in 0.5? It centers it? Is that right? That can't be right. No, that would just be 0.5 pixels to the right. Let me scroll up. You pass 0.5 as an origin to a text string instance instead of shaping a text. It will be the implementation of draw text. Okay. Ah, here we go. So we used to do this, which would get the size of the text, glyphs, halve that to get the center, and then chuck that down the center of the screen. But you're saying instead of graphics text, it should be text string instance. Is that right? Or is this different? What's a text instance versus text string instance? Does it pop here? I guess it stops. Is this it? So instead of me holding on to this text, because we have this shared text thing, huh? You saying we don't need that anymore? We do still need it. Can you explain the change that you've made to the API? Yeah, with the latest version, you don't need the graphics text thing at all. Instead, you change this, this, and this. Okay, and you hold on to this because we were doing the shared text thing to stop it from getting free from memory, right? Or something, like when you go out of scope. But we can just cut this now, right? I'm guessing. Yeah, you don't need that anymore. Don't. Okay. You don't need graphics text, so that's what I've got here. You do text string instant. You change this and then pass in string, character size, and origin. So we could pass in. Let's just make a new one. Let's do it. Interesting. Guessing this is this. Might have to rewrite this. Sure. Man. Is C++ gonna... Does a new version of C++ fix that? So you can put them in any order you want. Good lord. I guess I put them in exactly the wrong order. Holy shit. Literally back to front. The most possible moves. Oh my word. Font, whatever, origin, position, scale, shader. Shader, huh? What are you? Was there a way to turn on the little overlay? Okay. Oh, the shooting star's broken. I need to find a new one. We were just in Lumbee. Is there a new Lumbee one? There's one in Alcarid Bank. It's quite big. There's Northern Dwarven Mine entrance. I'm guessing that's west of Barrock, right? Can I do 520? I think that's west of Barrock. Or at least have something that automatically reorders them so you don't have to fuck about quite so much, you know? Oh fuck, I lost my Chronicle because I died. That's so stupid. Oh, I'm so sorry. Whoops. Well, you know what, screw Varrock then. Let's go to... There was one in Alcarid, right? 444. That was stupid. I went to go do one in the coal cart next to Sears Bank. The world is full. Please use a different world. Huh. I've never seen that before. Okay. South of Legends Guild, 523. 5. Full as well. guess I just don't. 520, I guess, if we can get in it. Alright, we're in. We need to just get to Northern Rhine entrance. That's going to be a pain in the ass to get to. You have to pass in font. Yeah. Sorry, I'm playing RuneScape on the side. Imagine that. Here? No. It's just a guessing game. Maybe here. Nope. Maybe here. Nope. Here. Nope. Here. Where do you go? String is after font. Okay. Comma? Color. Good fucking lord. At the beginning. Man. Alright. Where did I say I was going? Northern Line Fallible. Okay. Okay, fine. What's wrong? What are you missing? Semicolon. You have to check the documentation. Great. Okay, what else are we missing? Dude, I love Toho music. Alright, what did you say? Did you just have another look for the fifth time? You pass the origin as 0.5, 0.5. Alright. Alpha font character size position scale origin. I'm gonna guess it's 0.f, but 0.f if you want to just have normal. Like just top left. How does vertical centering work? Do you? It is a monospace font, right? Would it make capital? Would it make lowercase letters appear like in the vertical center of capital letters? I mean, this is the northern entrance. Is it not right there? Oh, the rocks exploded. No, I walked all the way here. Dude, there's been some bug lately with, here's RuneScape again. There's been some bug with shooting stars lately where they've just, like, randomly started exploding. I don't know if there's really much you can do about it. Oh, there's a 5.2.5.7a. I can't go, you know what, fuck it, just log out of RuneScape for now. I can't be asked. Well, no, I'll leave it logged in to regen my run speed, but I'm not going to play it. Incentives on the top line based on line height. Okay. Well, I'll just leave my dude there then. I'm going to take my jump off. Hang on, I'm getting warm. Okay. So 0, 0 is normal origin, right? So when it says if centered X. Oh, I guess I should pass in origin for the highlight as well. Okay, that's not quite what I wanted it to do. Oh, I probably want it to be, yeah, you're right. The position should still be the center of the screen though, huh? This thing. Well, how am I meant to get the max extent? Or is that, I guess I don't have to do that? Because the origin's already there? So that just gets the origin. If the origin's already halfway, it's probably fine, right? It doesn't even need to be minus 0.5 though. Actually, that makes total sense. That makes total sense. Alright, so we'll need to fix this in the other places. Maybe not. I guess I reworked everything to use the same functions. That's odd. Why is it drawing so much to the down and the right? It should just be 2. That can't be right. The shadow is meant to be... two off and 1 off. Oh, I didn't change the upper one. That's right. Ah, beautiful. That is beautiful. Alright. Shouldn't this give me a debug when it crashes? It says it's on the CMake debug build. I thought when something crashes it's meant to... Oh, I guess you have to be in debug mode, don't you? Hang on. I know why this crashes. Yeah. Oh, dearie me. I don't even know if this exists, does it? Oh, it does. Load main menu. Why does that crash? That's odd. That's odd. Hang on. When you press escape, it works, doesn't it? Initialize. I guess that doesn't clear it, that pops it. Push menu. Hello, Tifalis. It was probably moved at some point. Yeah, oh, yeah, maybe. Anyway, we were gonna make that, console system. Haven't been here in a while, what's up? I'm EP. I'm EP. I have a headache. I'm doing some programming. How are you? I've been slowly editing my way through the vlogs. I've managed to finish Melbourne. Next we have Sydney. And then Japan. So, yeah. How bad is it? It's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. I think it's just a lack of sleep. Which is fine. Oh. You started another project recently. You've been working on that hardcore. Oh yeah. What are you up to? Sorry, I'm just getting a scarf. I have a programming scarf to help me program. And also the hoodie was too warm, but I think a scarf will be just right. You've been getting into horror games. You've just finished Escape the Backrooms. Ooh. Did you see the comment about plus equals versus equals? No, I wasn't. I was reading something else. You can do, if centered, position X plus equals. What have I written? Equals works too, but then you can't move the X position away from the center. Well, what? Am I setting the X to 0 for these? I guess so. I'm happy with this. This is fine. This is fine. It's going to be a desktop version of Trello using Vulkan and Imgui. You know, it's overkill for the use case. Well, if it's practice, then, you know, that's what matters most, right? Practice is always good. Okay. I have my programming scarf on now. I'm ready to solve some problems. What were we doing? We had, game... Did I already set up the... Was it events? No. Have I already set something up for this? I guess it's not game. Was it a system? I had a feeling I already... If some call to draw call wants to draw slightly off center by passing something other than that, it might make a difference. Okay. Anyway. What was it? Action responder system? None of you remember, do you? I was writing a console command kind of system where you could send stuff to the system and it would try to execute them. Oh, here we go. System. Send console message. Okay, so we were making a context variable in the registry. We were having a list of console commands? A vector of commands. Okay, I'd already made it a struct. Okay, that's much better than I thought. I just need to... Sorry, I didn't mean to clap. I just need to implement this, huh? Quit, conversation end, game over, resume, start, continue, menu, practice. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Now who's listening to this? Well, you have send command. Do you not have read command? Game maybe? Okay, I guess I haven't gotten that far yet. That's fine. So I'm guessing if I want it in tick or update, I guess I want it in update. I'll just pop it in here for now. Nice. Alright, so here... I can't remember the exact syntax, so forgive me. Alright, for every command, and then afterwards we can clear it. I'm guessing this works. Because the idea is, I think we'll try to execute them all in this update. If we end up having long-running commands that require multiple updates to run through, we'll rethink this and we'll, you know, remove them one at a time when they're completed. But for now, let's just do this. I'm so tired. Oh, you can't do switch statement. No, you can do switch statements on. Can you do? You can do switch statements over variants, right? Or was that an issue with C++? Command stop clear. Oh, I thought in place would overwrite. Which of the blue letters makes the booba physics? This one. And then this one. Hey, startup. Alright. How does iterating over a fucking enum work in this bloody language? I know it's not an enum, it's a variant struct, but, you know, be honest with me. Is it over? This is how I want to think it's written. Okay, so it's not a thing built into C++. Let's have a look. Give me a second. Oh, weird language. Hello, Tonics. How are you? Donut has a switch-like utility for variant called match, which works like this. Well, okay, let's write it up for 2 seconds. Match. Oh, I guess I can put it in. Match. How are you? Is this not just a complicated else if statement? But I guess it parses it, or it casts it as that object in a sense. Right? It's basically what you've written but with lambdas. Right. But a big part of the switch statement is that it tells you if you add a new... If you iterate over a... Oh, thank you, Turbo Burner, for the enormous raid. That's huge. That's massive for the account. A big part of iterating with a switch statement over enums is that when you add a new one, it tells you off. It's like you have to implement it. Does this do that? I guess this all needs to be in a bracket, huh? This will fail to compile if you miss one. Okay, brilliant. That's the main function I'm looking for. Why are you complaining though? You're in the wrong spot. I mean, this looks right to me, huh? Like that? Oops, sorry. Like this. Etc, etc. Switches don't have that feature by default, but you have it enabled as a warning, so it works thanks to that. No, I mean in, like, modern languages. That's normally how that works. It's usually a baked-in part of enumeration. You mean in C++, lovely. What have you been up to lately, Bernard? Have you been working on your indie... what's it? Shooter? Did this language have a make lowercase? Pretty sure it did, right? That's a lot of quits, huh? We're looking for something... You know what? Heck it. Give me this. Let's just manually type it. Good lord. Quit. Come on. Good bloody hell. There's something always kind of horrible about not knowing the keyboard shortcuts in an IDE. Some of this stuff takes so much longer than it should. Alright, dope. That should be everything. So for every command and command, do this. Expected expression. I don't think you did. Great. Recently you've been focusing more on the compiler. Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, see what it prints. It has no idea how to print it. I guess you can't just print the struct name in this language, right? Is that a thing you can do? Can I do like .self.type or something? You said you worked with Swift, right? Yeah, sadly not. Okay. That's fine. It's not the end of the world. What the fuck are you doing? Why is this so buggy in this IDE? Whatever. Just do this. Guess I could have them all implement some toString function or something. You recommend typing the home and end keys when you're lining multiple cursors up. I would if my keyboard had them. I guess I could hold down function. Is that how you go to the front and end of the line? Yeah, okay. Every bloody program has to do it differently, though. Me oh my. Chalky milk is not helping my headache. Alright. Fine. Fine. We just need to implement all of these now. Do not do that. We'll do the implementation details in here. For now. Did I have somewhere I'd written this stuff before? I don't remember if I put it somewhere interesting. Quit. Quit does not provide a call operator. Well, I want to run the quit func like this, stop quit. Jesus wept. To stop the lambda going onto one line, you put an empty comment on it. Okay. Good fucking lord. Is it because I named this variable the same? Yes. Great. I'll just write this then. Why complicate things? The command doesn't actually matter, really. Right now they don't have any variables or anything. Okay. I know it's unused, that's perfectly okay. Conversation end. I thought I tried to name them the same as the function I was using to do. Alright. Sure, type it in. Why not? Maybe I'll do that to string thing. All commands. No. I'm using this weird variant thing, aren't I? Whatever. We'll just leave it. This is fine. For any commands you're not using, you can omit the parameter and leave the const quit. For now, I think I will, because I don't think any of them are doing that. What did you say? Home and end. Brilliant. Okay, game over? No, it's not a function. Resume? Nope. Alright. I'm guessing it's systems manager.game over. I'm guessing most of these commands are going to be in there too. Looks like it. Kinda cool. So if I do ever end up having a in-game console, this would be bloody brilliant. Alright, toggle full screen is somewhere else, I think. It might even be in here. Yeah, I think so. Not very smart. Here we go. Something I really like about the Google... Oh, that's weird. The music ending is just like set off my tinnitus. That's funny. The thing I like about the Google ran JetBrains bloody Android Studio is that it does seem to have some weird AI that learns what commands you're typing, and the prediction in it's really good. It knows what you're about to type most of the time. If you're doing a lot of methods, it'll try and suggest methods. I think, by the way, it should write the print line before it does the execution, otherwise we'll start getting confused. Especially if there's a crash in there. This is an oppressive room. The music's pretty loud. Yeah, it's loud for me. It's probably not helping. Let's slam on some... Have you heard Minecraft Volume Alpha, but with the Super Mario? And I'll lower it. It's hard to hear. Yeah, I've got the mic far away as well. Volume Alpha with the Mario sound font. Oh my god, there's so much flashing. It's kind of working. Pogo Doggo. Dude, it's the chat box. This is so odd to see. Sorry for the flashing. That's not good. Does indeed look like it's working. Oh, that crashed. Great. Let's fix that then. Go to main menu. Sorry. I think on navigate back, menu system, pop menu. Alright, where is it actually crashing in specifics? It's working, something must be wrong. Excuse me? Alright, here we go. You know what I like about this album? They claim that they manually wrote all the MIDI files and it wasn't just made through some, it wasn't just like some program that did a conversion. Like they manually MIDI'd the Minecraft soundtrack and then picked all the different sound fonts to shove on it. Droopy Likes Your Face is very, very well done in this album. I might be right. We know what? Time to fix that, right? Send a console command. Hang on, how do I do this? Go to main menu. Like that? I mean, big if true, right? Who needs to do C++ing? This is some real C language stuff we've got going on here. Object orientation, excuse me, did you not know that I'm doing component-based, data-driven, AI upscaled, live 2D gaming? I think you didn't know. I think I didn't know. I think you want to compile, don't you? You're thinking about it. I understand. Oh, it's because WouHou's running. That's fine. I was getting stressed out because the bloody debugger having the same colour as every other part of the program. Oof. It bloody works. That's super. This was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Poi. Oh, alright. Next crash. Sorry, I should stop cracking my hands. Unless. Alright. Yeah, we got rid of the fake leaderboard entries, didn't we? Ok. Very nice. This is going great. Alright, we can get rid of you then. I'd like you to be on the next line, please. For me? Whatever. This obviously looks better. Unless? No? Okay. What am I doing? We're in the program, we hit debug. Great. That works. Name entry. Okay, okie dokie. Ah, here we go. It's the classic. This was XDDDDDDDD. No wonder programmers talk like this, dude. So save and quit doesn't actually do anything. Then console message. Go to leaderboard menu. I guess. Why not? You can't stop me. Take me to context variables. So you said this would not compile, right? This should throw up an error with variant somewhere. This was not quite what I was expecting. Oh, I need to put it here. Maybe I could make them all implement something. You know, like a 2-string. Oh, spooky song. Uncomfortable spooky song. I hate death, dude. Hot take. Oh, variant. Oh my bloody lord. Would it tell me which file the variant's having an issue in? It just screams, good bloody lord. That's so good. Does it not print off the file? Oh. I know where it is, but I'm just wondering where it would be. It is something. You're not wrong. What did you say? It was just, I mean, it's just variant. We're not using it much, are we? What was it called again? Like, match. Alright, well, at least it works. Complain, I dare you. Hey, Antondi. Pom pom pom. I'll check to see if there's a new star nearby Falador while we're waiting for this to do its thing. West Falador Mine 424. You'd best not be hacking me. 424 Blast Furnace. Let's go. West Valley Mine. Onwards. Alright. Why are you complaining? What's wrong? Oh, it's because you're a bloody semicolon. Classic. It's always the semicolon. An error message is always going to be better than no error message, huh? How are you planning on getting down here, Mr. RuneScape guy? You really going to walk all the way around here? Going all the way to Ice Mountain for this? Okay. Yeah, you know what? I think that's, I think you're right. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, is it not Systems Manager? Go to main menu. Hang on, I need to just get myself to West Falador pronto. Go on, dude. He's gone somewhere really stupid. You hacked my RuneScape account. Transfer 100 mil or I will delete 10k gold. But I'm an Iron Man. I can't trade other players, by the way. See? Look, I'll put the gameplay on the screen while I'm ignoring all of you. We're just heading our way to West Falador Mine. It says there's a tier 4 star there. Come on, let me in. There we go. Thought you would. Hang on, this is Tavali. Fuck. I wasn't paying attention. I'm playing the game and I wasn't paying attention. It's over here somewhere. You're playing RuneScape while you're programming. Yeah, I'm a programmer. I'm not really playing it, I'm just letting him run over there. Look, there's programming going on, see? Look, I'll put this in the bottom left so it doesn't distract anyone. Who gaming? Alright, you know what? You get this. West Valley Mine is, like, here, right? Walking Simulator. Welcome to early game Iron Man. The music's quiet. Everyone was complaining it was too loud earlier. Do you not use the... Oh, here it is. I joined my brethren. 15,000 other people. Ah. There we go. Alright. No more fun, chat. How do you normally go to the leaderboard menu? Be real with me. Navigation system. See if that works. I cannot understand you, the music is too quiet. What are you on? Tell me what you want, and I will try my best. Look, I'll put RuneScape back up, okay? How about that? Wow, amazing. Well, I can't believe we just plain ass made progress today. That's incredible. Why isn't it drawing the characters here? We need to fix the game background not working, I guess. Is this like Zoomer content? I just looked at my OBS preview. There's like 50 different things going on screen. Oh my god. There's 3 fucking games running. Oh my god. It's a lot less than your OC stream. There's like 4 circles on screen. Okay. No, this is a good. This is like a banger tweet. Hang on, I can tweet this. Oh, whoops, I just swapped the fucking windows around. Hang on, I can tweet this. I never have good tweets. I turn off... Oh, the overlays, yeah. I put the overlays on because I thought it was cool to have an overlay. Do you not like the overlay? How do I... You have to make short tweets, otherwise people don't care, right? Literally, one of those ADHD streamers everyone makes fun of, Lamau. Couldn't be me. No. I don't know how Zoomers type. How do Zoomers type? I have become, maybe? How about, like, where should I add the Subway Surfers GIF? And Family Guy. No. Chat, help me write a viral tweet. Where should I add the Subway Surfers GIF? They type in hieroglyphics, aka emojis. Eggplant. Oh, Maui emoji. How about three Maui emojis, and then it says I have. No, how about this? ADHD streamer couldn't be me. 3 emoji faces, 3 Maui emojis, and then what's the angry like angry face? Like it's like angry. The angry face that's like got the little anime things on it. You know the one I mean? The emoji has like little like face with steam from nose. Ah, anger symbol. Okay, this is it. That one. Yeah, that's the one you see on Twitter, isn't it? I have become the ADHD streamer everyone makes fun of. And then I'll put all these emojis in. Pedo dog whistle. Are they known for having dogs? This looks like a bit much, doesn't it? They are known for having whistles. Okay. I need a funny title. This is more challenging than programming. I can't believe people have social media jobs. Come on. We've got a banger here. It's a good screenshot. Minecraft music. Oh, we need a checkmark emoji. Yo, I gained a mining level. No, but you need the checkmark with like a box in it. Don't make it a screenshot, make it a GIF. I don't know how that works. We'll just do this. GIFs are too much. Minecraft music? Check. Old ass game. Irrelevant background game footage? Check. Anime dog. Anime dog in the corner? Anime dog instead of webcam? Check. Oh god. It finally happened. Alright, that's good. That's a banger. And then the only comment you see on screen is Donut making fun of my Osu streams. Oh god, what happened to my stream? There we go. No, we gotta have something in here. Where's the donation goal? No, you don't need to. No, we don't need that. Ah. Finally, after 10 years of streaming, I've become one of them. No. Peter Griffin. You're missing the hand cam, that's true. I can't believe it's finally happened. And then I need like a Maui emoji. Just need a screenshot. I wouldn't lie. Moai? Is it Moai? Ah, Moai, not Maui. Okay. What was it? Angry. The angry emoji. Anger symbol. Anime dog webcam. Irrelevant game footage. Minecraft music. Irrelevant game footage. Anime dog webcam. I can't believe it finally happened. There you go. That's my banger viral tweet. Watch it get 10 likes. Okay. We can put this on the Discord as well, and they can do that. I'll do in general because everyone looks there, right? Chat, upvote my viral tweet. I used emojis and everything. Chat helped me write it. There you go. Just watch. I will become an overnight banger sensation. Thank you, Antondi. You're so quirky. I'm gonna repost with a picture of a funny dog GIF. How about that? That's what you do, right? And then he slaps you at the end. That's good. I like this one. Alright, it's good. Thanks for the view. It does look fun. It looks like a stage photo, dude. It looks so stupid. Oh, sorry, you're all watching it. Live compiler compilation reaction. Oh shit. Yeah, I needed to have the error message that said 0xTDDDDD. This is fine. You'll see the tweet probably in the BBC News, I think. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Render gameplay background. Why ain't you drawing the thing? You're drawing a black rectangle over the screen. That can't be right. Is that right? Is that why it looks like this? Come on, you can build. Name entry. You can't believe your Twitter is older than yours. I didn't start it for a while. Oh, the 2D. Yeah, you're right. Forgot we were doing that. Alright, it's been about a minute since I posted it. I should have like 1 million likes now, right? I got 1 like from Donut the Viking chap. Yo! That's a new name. Oh, I like this tweet you retweeted in 2017, Donut. That's good. I'd follow you if I wasn't already at the maximum amount of channels you can follow on Twitter, because that's a thing. I have to keep randomly going through and, like, unfollowing a bunch of cute anime artists. Heartbreaking. Oh, it's because I've got WouHou running in the background. Sorry, I'm stupid. Oh my god, it's flashing. But the flashing's not so bad when the background's like this, huh? Great. We go to here, we draw this background, and bish, bash, bosh. It should be somewhat viewable, maybe. So I think this just draws a black rectangle over the screen. Oh, a blue rectangle. Hang on, is Dither being... Oh, she spawns with iframes. The chat box has iframes. That's brilliant. Pogo Doggo. Wow, 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 wow. Game over. Hey, Maya. How are you? Great. Alright, that's Poggers. You're good. That's brilliant. Alright, let's go on the menu where you get to pick your character, because that seems to have been missing the character picking bit. Character select? To do, write a draw image function. Alright, cool. Looks like I left myself the work for the future. That's fun. You finally got to set up VR stuff today, which was fun. Oh, hell yeah. Are you going to play Beat Saber? Those draw commands should format a bit nicer if you remove the comma after colour. Yeah? That's crazy. This one. I'd argue about that. But sure. You should look at your liked tweets on Twitter. Okay. I'll have a look. Hey, the tweet's got 3 likes now. I can't do another GIF. I'll reply that. I can't do another GIF and Tondi. Sorry. It's too much. There you go. You've got a Quest 2 turning up on Thursday. Dude, you can leave your favourite VTuber up on the side. Me. Alright, what's Antondi been liking? Pixel art. Toho. You really like fucking embodiment of the Scarlet Devil, huh? Toho. Minecraft. The Joker. TF2. Toho. A 2019 tweet from Nintendo of America saying that Cadence of... That game's 4 years old now, huh? And then a bunch of tiny birds moving really quickly. I like that tweet. I like tiny birds. I think it's cute. Okay, sorry. And everyone, you saw my viral treat, right? Because I need to go have a viral pee. I'll be back in a minute. Think about what you've done. Hey, you hope you cleansed your funny likes. Me too. Oh, hang on, I missed my scarf. Obviously, I took my programming scarf off before I went to the toilet. I'm not some kind of monster. I will put my programming Homer Simpson slippers on, though. You all good? You should be able to do tint color instead of tint color color. It's fantastic. Message to fill your needs. What have you done? We should do social media shenanigans. What does that mean? I don't want to join your cult, I think. Do I? Is that how they get you? Sorry, I'll make RuneScape small again. You don't need to see this. Okay, look. What were we doing? You hope it's not too viral. It's good. Your friend makes her own models, so you were playing VR chat. Oh, hell yeah. Sorry, was that a bit too loud? I fixed it now. Look, I'll bring out the tummy as well. Alright? Are you more interested now? Have I got your eyeballs? Here you go. Yo! Just the legs, please. I'm gonna ban you from my chat. Just kidding. I have no viewer. Okay. To do, read character info from JSON. Write a function. Okay, we've done that. Dishes. Alright, done that. Lettuce. Check this. I forgot about hash check. So we had selected character before. Well, who's Jason? Yeah, he's the Halloween dude. We were doing this weird thing to render animations, right? Why? Explain yourself. Sean. Okay. Why are we not simply... Do we not have draw image? I guess we need to write that. At some location on the screen. Conversation system? Yes. Bing, pom, 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 pom. Dong, 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 dong. Oh!
64.
Hey Yoma, thank you.
Hi, who is this? I'm here from the viral tweet.
Oh, I knew it was a viral tweet. How many likes does it have now? 5 likes! Let's go! Huge. Wow. How are you, Yoma? Thanks for the tier 2 and the, like, 2 years? That can't be right. 4 years. Yeah, okay, that makes more sense. About 4 years, nearly. Alright, I need to draw more sub-emotes. What's the newest one? My one is the 5.5 year badge at 77 months. Is that right? I feel like I need to draw like a few more. Your chicken's gone. You're fumo now. It sucks, huh? What you should do is make a new account and sub on that. I'd recommend it. I guess Spy Crabs is only 1 month away from fumo, huh? It's an odd thought. Alright, sorry. Where am I drawing the waifu for the conversation? Load sentence? Oh, cock! It was actually an enemy. Right? You are a fake fan. No, I just remembered that, like... So I was wondering why... Hang on. It's taking a minute. What's it complaining about? Oh, draw image. Yeah, of course. Look at this. So there's this character here. I was wondering why this wasn't drawing properly on this screen. And it's because this is being drawn as like an enemy, it just doesn't have a hitbox. Final Winter... Dude, Final Winter Pain was a fucking great tweet. She's not an enemy, but I decided for some reason to make the conversation is something that you shoot? Sorry. So I need to make a draw image function. Donut, you have this text string instance thing, right? Do you have an image instance? Or do I need to keep track of all images I want to draw arbitrary positions? Because I think I also considered having an entity for just plain images that's just like an animation and a transform. Which I guess I could also do. Is that maybe what I should do? I think that's what I was doing before. Yeah. Right? Why was this bad? Because I had to keep track of it. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Because technically that did work. The idea was to make a helper function for drawing an animated sprite that you call for anywhere, not just the animation drawing system. Yeah. Yeah. Oh god, the star's about to break, chat. We have to find a new one. Oh god. Alright. Come on, star miners. Northern Dwarven Mine Entrance T5. 328. That's where we were earlier, huh? Alright. To the Northern Mine Entrance. Look at how many gems we've got in chat. I'm possibly loaded with gems. It's incredible. I got some dragon stones earlier. Completely spooned. Beautiful. What's this spooky ass music? Excuse? I don't remember this song. Alright, it's up here somewhere. You'll find it. Okay. So he wanted to have a generic helper draw function. Now, how do I want to do that? Draw text functions like this. It draws to the render pass. I see? Do I see? Oop. And I oop. No, dude, you're going the wrong way. Oh god, he's going past a bloody bear. Yeah? Check your current sprite drawing system and try to factor the code out. Well, currently it's being done in various draw calls everywhere. What it's doing is it's looking through the entity list, and if it has a transform and an animation, it draws the animation at that transform, you know? Oh look, it's actually here this time. Incredible. See, I don't think it is. Okay, let's check. I mean, I'll probably misremember. My current sprite drawing system. Let's look at HUD, maybe? No. Render menu background. No. I'm mining it. Okay. Animation system. For every entity, update it. That doesn't draw it. Render actor system. It's exactly what I said it was, Donut. What do you want? For every entity with a sprite and a transform, iterate through them and draw the sprite at that animation. What do you want? Explain yourself. I guess we have this animation system thing where it ticks through everything one bit at a time. Yes, that render and actor system looks like what you meant. Yeah, but that's... What? That's what I said, isn't it? Anyway, well, the point was just to have sprites, so I guess maybe I... Just take one of those draw calls and factor it into a function. Yeah, but how am I going to do the animation? I know these sprites in particular aren't animated now, but I'd like to have the opportunity to. You can take the animation time in as a parameter. Do you have that as something in frame info? I guess I can interpolate it. Yeah, you're right. Alright. Render pass.draw sprite instance. Should be it. So, draw. Oh. What is it with Polish woolen chat and showing their faces IRL but wearing round sunglasses? It's because it's just the one person. They only own one pair of sunglasses. Yo, nice for Amelia Scarlet. Hey, I don't want to scare anyone, but it has 7 likes now. That's more than my sweet stream announcement posts normally get. Just saying. For now, let's keep things simple and just do position and animation. Solo animation? I guess we'll do solo animation for now. X famous. Is that a porn site? I don't want that. Pom pom pom. Pom pom pom. Oh fuck, it's Twitter. I forgot Twitter's fucking X videos now. Fucking Musk. What's happened to Elon Musk? Is he still around? He hasn't caught malaria or something. This blowed up. Twitter is a porn site. I mean, it had a lot of porn on it, it's true. If that's what you're into. That's where you get it. He has been turned into soup. Excuse me? Soy crepes. Asset manager. Oh, cock. Asset manager. Ooh. Do I just have Sprite, maybe? Sprite has a sequence animation time and some bullshit. You need to pass in the fucking asset manager. Surely you have an asset manager. You manage your assets, right? I guess I could pass it in. Maybe it's in registry. Oh fuck. Turning up the sounds. Thank you, Turbo. Remember when Tumblr banned porn and it destroyed their business? Yeah. Man, that's a real wisecrack you got there. Do systems know about their systems manager? Can I make asset manager a singleton? Does it need to be instanced? Just needs the animation repository. Where is he? Who owns this? I don't think I have an easy way to access this. I think I should make everything static. I think that would solve a lot of my problems. Especially this issue where you can only have more than one player. What does this registry own? It doesn't own very much, actually. Man, the system has so little. Oh, dearie me. What's a... I think asset manager should be a context variable. That's a good point. Yes, context variable. It's like a static, but it's allowed. Context me up, brother. Oh my god. You're problematic. Ah, yeah, let's go. God, this is such a banger. You claim to hate static, and yet you have a static main. Curious. Well then, this should fix it. If number is 1, return false. Else, if number is 2, return true. Else, if number is 3, return false. Else, if number is 4, return true. Else, if number is 5, return false. Else, if number returns 6, return true. Holy shit. Turbo. How do I pin a comment? Let's pin that. That's incredible. Customize time. Yeah, I think 20 seconds. That's brilliant. Can't believe I didn't think of them. Oh. This argument. How about you stop having an argument? There you go. What's the complaining about? Tint color. Alright, go on. Alright, what are you complaining about? Const sprite atlas thingy. You want a constant sprite atlas reference, huh? Non-owning pointer. Alright, how about you... this one? Nope, how about this one? Nope. Alright, you drive a hard bargain. Nope, alright. Ah, there we go. It's so easy. My asset manager, excuse me. Sprite.animation time. Should I just ditch this shit? Oh no, I want things to have their own animation time. I mean, this sprite isn't going to be animated. Huh? This is personal reference, but I would probably put render pass as the first argument because you normally put output arguments first and it'll line up better when you have multiple calls. Sorry, my code is cold. My code is old, so the function that starts is still called master. Oh shit, you haven't migrated to main. Oh god. Oh, ooh, ouch. Don't worry, my iOS branch at work has a main and a master branch. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Who's fucking DMing me on Steam? Very anime. Okay. Someone who I've labelled as planets from. Alright. You can DM me. I didn't realize I had Steam notifications on. Well, I don't have notifications, but it flashed orange, which is kind of annoying. How about do splice to animation time plus render pass dot? No, plus something, some pass, right? Like frame, whatever. This is fun. How about we hit build and see if this works? Dope duck animations. Yeah. My dude's still mining? Oh, he mining. Look at him go. Oh shit, it doesn't reset your Y anymore. That's crazy. Oh shit, I just lost a few ticks. Oh shit. Should restart the account. Okay, I'm gonna check on my viral tweet again. Nothing's changed. 10 likes, 81 views. Already more popular than my Twitch stream. Not bad. Illegal qualified name. Oh dear. I see. Methinks it's not going to be animated, but don't tell anyone I said that. Or nor that I said methinks. Like a insane person. What is wrong? What the fuck is wrong? Oh, it doesn't like it. Oh, cock. Doesn't want to be... No, don't put me in the context. No. No. Oh, maybe a little arrow in there will help. They love these. C++ compilers eat this stuff for breakfast. No, don't put me in the registry, it's saying. Maybe you should stop complaining. You had comments on tweets with thousands of likes. Don't recommend. Thousands? Fuck me, dude. Attempting to reference a deleted function. Any.header. Holy heck. Now that's a problem. Donut the Viking chap. You have 4 seconds to explain. Maybe I need to put a reference in, actually. No. Donut, you cheeky cunt. Explain to me right now. Oh, it's probably because this needs to be like this. Okay, I still don't get it. Oh god. Delete all your header files and hope for the best. Fuck. They are owned, so what you're doing now would make a separate asset. What you should do is construct it in the call to in place, and then access it using get. Oh shit. Alright, dingus. Oh, asset manager. No. No. Okay, this is the one I said that was banging. No, it's the next one. This one's still good. Oh, fuck. How did this work again? Because we were doing this somewhere else. Like, we were constructing it and setting it on the same line. Some, like, blank magic. Isn't this a really good album, by the way, chat? You should be able to pass the constructor arguments straight to in place. Yeah, but I want... Oh, can I do this, maybe? Is this allowed? Oh, it hates that. In place.get? I guess I don't need to hold on to the asset manager if it's just in the context, huh? I can just, like, yeet it. Oh, okay. This is the good one, chat. Never mind. Although this does rely on everything to have the registry. Everything does have the registry. Is this allowed? I think this is allowed. You know what? You can't tell me what to do, chat. Bum, bum, bum. I fucking love this song. It's so fucking good. I fucking love this song, chat. I don't understand. I guess I can just boink it. What a glorious fucking song. Thanks so much for playing my game. Oh, it stopped. Now the Toho music with really loud rain is back. What's donut writing? What you could do to fix is move the cool to in place where you have the asset manager field by storing a reference. I'm just removing it. If it's going to be in the registry, I'm just going to grab it from the registry when I need it. You know? Why overcomplicate things? Read the previous messages. Oh shit. There's a quirk with context variables in that they need to be default constructible, so you might need to add a zero-argument constructor to asset management. Think about the initialization order here. Those constructors are going to run before the body gets executed, so the asset manager won't be created in time. What you could do is to move the call to in place to where you used to have the asset manager field by storing a reference instead. Alright. Sure. Okay. So I guess I put this all back then. I was enjoying destroying things. Oh, no, that was right. You can go back. Alright, so we dump this shit. Please tell me what changed. God, this game sucks. Okay. What the fuck? That wasn't me. Warframe rabbit hole, huh? Hey, Rob. Man, Warframe, huh? It's incredible. What are they doing with that? So, you're saying... I need to make a zero-argument constructor Just like this. In place should take the constructor arguments for asset manager. So file system and whatever it was. File system and renderer, I think. Good bloody lord. Just type. When I hit autocomplete, you best do the thing I'm clicking on. Bloody Mel. Alright. Why are you complaining? Oh. No hammer on the head, please. Oh, there's an extra semicolon somewhere. Bracket, whatever. Is it you? Devious. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, no? Okay. It's confused about something. I did fuck everything up a little bit. I'll give you that. Oh, good lord. Let me out of here. It's probably something I've done in game.c++, right? Maybe not. Dude, I've got enough bloody stardust now to get a second ring. If only they let you war 2. It's a warning. Okay. Something wrong with Bad Scout? I don't know. Has he said something? You need to be initialized, huh? Ah, this is where I fucked it up. How about you unfuck it? What mining level am I now? Dude, I'm nearly 58 mining. I've only been doing this for like 2 days. This activity is incredible. It's taken the worst, shittiest skill and turned it into the best one. Oh, you click every, like, hour. Great. Love it. What are you complaining about? Ah, it's a classic one, that is. Let me guess, your C++ file's hacked as well. Yeah, I thought so. Oh, that's beautiful. What was I doing? Oh, draw sprite. Okay, it's beautiful. It's, whatever we've done is working. Somehow. Alright, quickly. Draw image. And for donut, you know what? Here you go. Are you looking at this, donut? Just for you. I need this stuff. What position was I putting this shit? Factory. Thanks, I'm happy now. I'm glad it's so easy. I mean, you're welcome. I guess the Z doesn't really need to exist, but whatever. Whatever. I updated the header file, didn't I? Maybe I thought I did. No, I didn't do the C++ file. No, wait, hang on. Draw sprite, vec3. Draw sprite, vec3. I did. No, I'm not very happy. Sequence, time, scale, origin. It still says draw image in the search box. Oh, I'll be damned. That's what you meant. By it. Okay. Okie dokie. Bye bye. Animation time is frame info dot, I don't know, fucking elapsed time. Origin scale sequence. Sequence equals. What else could you have meant? I thought you meant the vec3, vec2 thing. Because that's what I just did. Sips beer. Dude, it's been a great day of mining. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. Do you see this? Good lord. We could make a text box that you don't have to shoot. You can arbitrarily draw any sprite to the screen. You know what? This calls for a celebration. I'm bringing the cube back. Alright. You lot are going to get to see the cube. Check it out. RuneScape is complaining about something. I give it something really cool. Check this out. It's the cube time. Oh, let's go! Oh my god. You're gonna be... Oh, look at that! Yeah! It's a cube! Oh. Yo! Check it out. Cube. Cube, 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 cube. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at it. This could be any three-dimensional shape of your dreams. It's beautiful. The cube should be a boss. It's beautiful. Alright, how do I make a texture on this cube? Was it one of these? Model cube. Transformation is something. Can I just give it like a texture? Maybe it's in a different section? Is this a texture? I feel like menu background should be a texture. Very well. You can go in here if you like. Let me guess. No viable conversion from texture to const texture. What if I just start shoving in reference pointers? There we go. Easy. Oh! Dude, Rick Turpentine. He's just given me a cosmic talisman. Let's go. Oh my god, the cube is... The cube is beautiful. It's a textured cube. Check it out. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm a 3D programmer. It's beautiful. And now I can give it a shader as well, right? 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 Shader... Diffuse map will be initialized after shader goes at the start. Like this. Shader 3D. Put a comma at the end. It's not a 3D... Not a 3D shader. Why do I even bother? How about I just try passing it? I don't know. Give it an emissive map. 1. Alright, I'm fucking about too much. Kinda love the cube though. What other shit can I fuck about with? Specular factor. 1,000? 100? Oh, it needs to be a Vec 3. Alright. It's beautiful. Make the cube a fractal. There's a full bright one. Graphics shader 3D. Oh shit. Blin Fong? Dude, bring the Bling Fong in. Obviously as a reference, let's not get silly. No? Maybe this one. Maybe at the end. I think it's at the end. No. Unlit should be full bright. Okay, let's try it. That's a beautiful unlit box. I'm gonna make it go forwards and backwards in the Z. Well, how does fucking sine work? You couldn't see. You'll see in a minute. I need to remember how the fucking sine function works because I want it to. I want the elapsed time to like go up and down, right? Like I want it to go in and out of the Z coordinate smoothly. What do I do in the fragment shader? Is it this one? Cosine? I don't know, see what that does. Sorry, I don't understand how sine and cosine work. Do you see the cube? I'll leave it for a second. The cube is spinning. I can't tell if it's going in and out. But it is spinning. Hang on, I'm going to get rid of the other background so we can just look at this. Try passing -3F. Oh, I've got the translation on. Huh? Sine. Oh, into here. Oh, to like physically move it, I guess. Although, that's what this was doing. Okay, sure. Frame info dot elapsed time. I know this is a stupid question, so I'm looking for a stupid answer. What's the difference between sine and cosine? Please explain. One of them's for the x and one of them's for the y. Cosine is just sine but with an offset of pi minus 2. Brilliant. An offset into what? Just to the side. One goes up, the other goes down. Okay, thank you. That's good. That'll do. Oh, you did -3 for this. Which is which? Does sine go left to right, cosine go up and down? Oh my god. Look at him go. What the cube doing? Oh, it's scary, huh? Instead of -3, let's do -1. It should come in and out of the screen. Oh shit. That's frightening. That's beautiful. Oh my god, you're all posting maths in my chat. I'm so sorry. Let's cosine it all up. Everyone gets to be cosine. What does it look like? Holy shit. Where is he going? What's the cube doing, dude? I will show you. It takes a second for OBS to capture it. Look at this cube. That's beautiful. Look at it go. It just doesn't... Make it sine. Is that allowed? Can you do that? What happens if you do sine? Does it crash? Oh, it's just cos. What about tan? Let's chuck in a tan in there as well. I don't know. Why not? How about we do a little divide by 2? Oh, just... Oh, what's it doing? The cube is just watching and then it smacks into the screen for a second and then it reappears. I don't know quite what I've done, but it's an excellent, excellent space simulation. Look at it. What is the cube doing? It's going to infinity. That's beautiful. You think it'll crash eventually? I love it. I'm thinking it needs to be a sine of a cos. And then this needs to be divided by 4 and 5. Sine power. Okay, that sounds like an exponential waiting to happen. We can give it a go though. It'll get more and more inexact. I love inexactness. What did you say? Power. I don't think power is a thing. Is it POW? What does POW want? POW takes 2 arguments. Alright, the next one can be 1. Sometimes you just do have to ask yourself, but what is the cube doing? He seems rather mild today. Oh, he's disappeared. There he is. Everything but 1 does something. Alright, we'll chuck in the cosine of the elapsed time. How about that? That sounds reasonable, right? Use a negative number. It still doesn't really seem to be doing much. I'm rather enjoying this tangent function. What is it doing? Oh, he's wobbling. Oh. Oh, there we go. I'm having fun. I'm enjoying it when he just randomly spawns in the distance. There's something kind of unsettling about it. Use an irrational number. Can I type an irrational number? Minus E. Does C++ have minus E? Oh, I made a portal cube. Hang on, do you see this? Give it a second. Yep. Oh, there we go. Just hang on. There we go. Well, I don't know what I've done. He just flies across the screen. What the heck? What is he doing? Is the cube getting closer? Oh, no, there he is. Make more of them. I guess I could have as many cubes as I wanted. Have I tried x equals sine, y equals cosine, and z equals tangent? I can do that. I want to try Monoskick's idea. What did you say? X equals sine, y equals cosine, and z equals tangent. Now all you have to do is find the equation that makes the box gain sentience and you've invented general AI. It's that easy. Wait, hang on, why do you hate this? Is there a function called multiply divide? Is that a thing? In maths? Like a mlavide? Or a adultify, maybe? No. Oh. Let's make the specular factor I. It's called doing nothing. Get into that one with Bimdas, huh? Specular does nothing with unlit. Oh. Well, let's do vertex shader source code instant mod. No, okay. I guess we leave it on Blin Fong then. Let it Fong it up. Oh, fuck. Okay, that one's not so good. This isn't my best creation. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've done better. Can you imagine the Gmod like... Okay, this one's not so good. Maybe it's this one. I forget, to make it in the distance, did we have to do 5 or -5? I don't remember. Oh shit, I've made a gun. Chat, check it out. I knew this was going to be a shooter. Where are the cubes going? Minus is forward, plus is backwards into your face. Okay. First person WouHou. Alright. POV, you are Baker-chan. Let's, I don't know, let's start like squaring shit. And then doing whatever this does. I don't know. God, maths is fun. Oh! Somehow it's made it more reasonable. You start by trying to put them into a grid. You want me to make Minecraft, don't you? I like this one, where like some of the squares just like stop shivering for a few seconds and they just sort of like exist. You know? Look at that go. You could make them all follow the same equation but at different time offsets. That's true. But where's the fun in that? Oh, you could make 50 squares that do the same thing. Yeah. Now we're talking. Chat, explain to me what tangent is and why tangent seems to be the most fun of them all. You'd get a big snake following the path you've made. Well, that's a fair point. Alright. How am I doing this? Is that not kind of what we were doing? Go into Desmos calculator. Maybe I'll do that. Why sine, cosine, tangent on this? Do I do 0 minus to make it look like it's going forwards? Maybe. Oh. The cube is here, and then he goes. I rather liked the unlit one, I'll be honest. Elapsed time plus 1 multiply plus I. Maybe. You should use log. We'll chuck a log in there. Oh my word. Okay, now we've got something. Do you lot like the hypercube? What's wrong? I thought you liked the WouHou cube. Watch it squirm into itself. I'm gonna put the Z on a sine wave. I'm also going to, instead of spawning 50, I'm going to spawn 5,000, because I feel like my computer can handle 5,000 cubes, right? Oh my god, yes. Look at this beautiful creature. Look at this thing go. I heard you lot liked geometric anomalies. Oh my god. This is beautiful. It's him. That's amazing. I'm gonna zoom it in a bit more. Oh, it kind of hurts my eyes a little bit. The 4D object. What else should I try? Tangent? Tin? Turn. How about negative tangent? Start counting from 1. Oh shit. Hang on, the snake has something to ask. Log I plus 1. Oh. This is great fun. Oh, good lord, I've made sand from Minecraft. You'll see when it loads exactly what I mean. You know when you put a torch down in Minecraft and it drops 50 columns of sand on top of themselves? That's beautiful. Log x equals x. Alright. Can I, instead of making it a cube, is there another model I could use? Like a sphere? There's a quad. That's not helpful. Do you have a default model? No. You donut, you really didn't include a donut as a default object. Yeah, be real with me. Oh shit. Minecraft loading screen. You can load OBJ files by passing in the file system and a file path. Fumo OBJ. Fumo 3D models. I don't want to buy them, I just want to download it for free. Download? Is it downloading? I can't tell. Hitting download seems to have broken this website. Download 3D model. I will log in with my Twitter account. Yeah, you can see my... No, I don't want you to use my Twitter. Hang on, there must be somewhere else I can download this from. CG Trader? $2. Turbo Squid 3D Fumo models. $150. Good lord. This is more expensive than an actual Fumo. A 3D scan of one of Toho Project's viral toys. It just takes me back to Sketchfab. Alright, I'll download this Sketchfab. I'll sign in with my Google account. Woolen. Alright, give me a second. No, I want to download the Fumo. Download OBJ. Yes, 40 megabytes. Perfect. That's rather small, I'd say. Textures. Source. fumoremu.ra. These are all PNG. Oh, here's an OBJ. Hang on. Where do I put this shit? Data? Let's just shove it into data root for now. The dropped file could not be accessed for import. Oh, okay. Let me do this through Windows then. I'll make a new folder called models. And I will pop it in here. You know what, I'll drop all the data in here as well. Alright. I've got some fumo things here. Alright. Here's the fumo. It has some data. Here's an OBJ. Ah! 5,000 verts. 999 faces. Alright. I'll rename this to... Actually, this is fine. You wouldn't download a car. I downloaded a fumo. Alright. Menu background. We're going to have a texture called fumo texture. And we're going to have a graphics model, fumo model. The model will load the textures automatically. How? Does the OBJ file point to the PNGs? I'll be honest, I don't understand OBJ. I haven't worked with it. How would it know where the files are? It should come with an MTL file that lists the textures. Oh, do I need to drop that in as well? There's no .mtl file. There's a lot of PNGs. Well, you don't need a texture to be a fumo. We'll just pop this in for now. How do I load a model in? Donut. I want my fumo model. I guess you can apply them manually if you load them in. Yeah, I'll do that. Well, a fumo texture diffuse and fumo texture normal. Fumo texture... Good lord. Let's build first. Maybe that's the issue. Fumo texture diffuse is this. Fumo texture normal. No equals there. Instead of base color, it's what? Mixed AO? No, normal. Maybe. Because that would be ambient occlusion, right? We can turn off the texture options for now, just to clean this up. And you said fumo model is like this. Asset manager dot file system. So now I have fumo model. Instead of drawing a cube, we draw the fumo model. Like a reference to it. Sorry. Alright. Let's see what happens. Couldn't find the file. Hang on, it's got the wrong name. Models. Remu underscore low.obj. That's right. Right? Hang on, instead of doing 5,000, let's just do 10. Try removing the lib from the thing. This thing. And maybe also this shit. It says failed to open, not found, but it's right there. Oh, no! Oh, shit. Oh my god. There's so many fumos. Hang on. Do you see them? They're there. Good lord. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Let's do minus, like, 30. And then instead of unlit, let's do Fong. And let's multiply I by itself. You looking at this shit, chap? I know it's 11:30 at night, but holy shit. I might be the world's greatest software developer. You have to be real with me when I say this. I have created Goo Fumos. You're welcome for this one. Let's apply the textures. Oh. Oh my god. Is that right? The Goofumos seem to be having some mild issues. But you can see them there, day and night. Why are they so blue? Is it this specular factor? Alright, let's make 100 Fumos. It's RGB and you had B at a high value. Holy shit. I've done it, chat. I've made the world's filthiest Fumos. Look at this shit. That's some good shit. Finally, it's a good game. Try setting specular to 0. Yeah, I think you're right. Can you squish the Fumo? Maybe. Hang on, I want them to just, like... I want them to just go, like, on a sine wave left and right. Is this just going to make the fumo go left and right in a sine wave? This is not what this has done. Oh, I guess it's rotating still. X, Y. So let's not make it go on the Y value. Oh my god. Wrong album. Wrong angle. I clearly don't understand 3D. This is not it either, huh? Hang on, I'm getting there. Alright. It's not what I quite meant to do, but why not? It looks like it's just been dragged out of Vermintide. Let's do -40. I want it to... I just wanted it to spin. I wanted it to move left and right. This should just move it left and right, right? Alright. So I want to make it sine wave, but more. But I also want it to be transformed, I don't know, what does typing 90 in here? I don't know if these are radians or fucking tailpipes or whatever. Oh shit. It is fumo horror! Oh god! That's not good. That's not good. Can you see that? Can you see that? Hyper realistic blood fumo. Oh. Try making it spin on X or Y and set the other one to 90 degrees. Set it to pi. Oh, radians, 19s. You can try it. Alright, you ready for Realistic Blood Fumo Part 5? She's spinning the wrong way. Can you even see the spin? Oh, you just about can, yeah. Hang on, I want it to be the other way. And then I also want to offset them a little bit. So the Y value should be I multiplied by 10. And the X should be multiplied by I. And the Z should be multiplied by I. Alright, we have 100 fumos. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no! Why does it keep turning out like this? Oh god. Why is she upside down? There's meant to be 100 fumos. I see 2. If you do I multiplied by 5... Okay. I like the tangent. The fumos are all upside down. Plus. Oh, yeah. I never thought I'd spend so long looking at maths. The fumos are above. What are they doing up there? The plus I is still... Wait. Oh, whoops. You're right. The fumos are so high up. Is that the Y? Or just make the Y 0? Hey Haiku. You haven't seen anything? You haven't heard anything? The origin is probably at the butt. I think you're right. How was I making them so visible before? Is it not XYZ? Should this not be like... If I make this like minus 1,000, do they all go off the bottom? Yes. How about minus 50? Maybe they were just far away. Yeah. Oh, I saw a fumo for a second here at the bottom. Minus 5? Oh, good lord. Okay, numbers make a big deal, huh? How do you like this, chat? To relive the gloom and horror vibe, change the texture to this. Oh god. I'm not doing that. You want to increase the diffuse factor. I think X is left right, yeah, which is why it's going from middle to the right. Oh. I don't know if diffuse factor is a thing. There's emissive factor, I guess. Is this doing it for you, Turbo Burner? Is this what you wanted to see? Hogging. Did it work? Oh, you bet it worked. Check it out. Oh, hey, Hero Dev. Terrible time to raid. Oh. I'm about to end the stream. Thank you for the raid, though. It's very late, I'm afraid. We've just been screwing around with 3D models. Trying to think about it. How are you? How was your stream? Try setting the specular factor to 0 again. Alright. What were you up to? Were you doing the VS Code plugins? Or am I thinking of someone else? BVH. What is a BVH? There's some very dark fumos. What have you all been up to? Did you enjoy the stream you've come from? That's brilliant. Maybe this doesn't need to be a tangent. Maybe just cosine is fun. I wanted to make them come in and out of the screen, you see, in a sort of like a frightening way. There you go. They'll be back, right? Oh, there you go. Oh, that's horrible. Alright, let's just quickly shove in a -15.f in there. This should make them rotate from a distance we can see, right? No, that's not it. Alright, cool, wow. What is this? Oh good lord. You need to be like -100. Am I playing RuneScape at the same time? I was. I forgot. We were mining a star here. I had it in the corner because I don't know. I didn't think too hard about it. I thought it was fun to have it in the corner. I made a hit viral tweet that had at least 10 likes explaining it. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. We successfully loaded in a fumo and ruined it. You're welcome. Alright, I have to be off though. I do have work tomorrow and it's about midnight. I'm heckin' shattered. We'll just do a little multiply, just like a little, one of these little things, just pop that in, you know, maybe this can be a sign, you know, and maybe this can be, this is fine. Oh god, I've ruined something. Whatever. It really is bedtime. I'm sorry, I've got to head off. I hope you enjoyed the few minutes that you've been here. You can enjoy this just for a second. Have a look at this. These shadow fumos pummeling the screen. It's so bad. Oh, well, I hope you find it funny. I'll be streaming something else tomorrow, but if you want to see more C++, let me know. We'll be doing more in the future. This wasn't the purpose of today, by the way. We got this draw sprite function on the left working. We got... Oh shit, if you press escape here, it spawns the fumos in the level. Look at that, they're there. That's beautiful. What was I saying? Oh, we managed to get this sort of, bloody... what did we call it? Game? Yeah, look, we made this, like, console command system where from almost any class in the game that has access to system, you can send in a console command and it'll execute it. And that's how we get around now. It's cool. Maybe at some point I'll let you type it in, and then we could have an actual dev menu. That'd be sick. Yeah, fixed the background loading, fixed the shaders, made the console command, made fumo loading possible, very important. I guess next time we will be doing cleanup and then some gameplay, I guess. That'll be in a few days. If you are interested, if you're from the raid, if you're still here and you want to see more C++, I post the announcements. I mean, you can just see on the follow page, but I post the announcements on like Twitter and Steam and Discord, so if you want to ignore my normal streams, that's fine. You can just look for the C++ ones. Fumo loading is a crucial feature. Until I need to do something, it's just a 20 megabyte file. You've got to be careful with that. Anyway, I'm gonna host. Go say hi to Mr. Swipers1. Give him a hello. I haven't raided him in like 4 years, so maybe he'll remember me. I'll see you a lot tomorrow for something else. Have a nice evening, everyone. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you for the raid.